Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Ira Tech. Libre scheme markup for your website. Ever felt like you are shouting into a void, but Google just does not seem to hear? Your website is waving frantically from the back of a concert hall, but it's stuck behind gates and can't catch the spotlight. How you can leverage scheme markup to enhance search engine result for your website, get noticed by Google, and push through that wall of obscurity? The answer lies is using something called scheme markup and SEO superhero underutilized by most websites. Think about scheme as detailed tags which spring directly into Google ear, explaining what your site is all about. Let's dive into how these whispers make search engine much smarter in understanding and showcasing into all guide you through the process of springing scheme markup on your site with simple steps to follow, plus will spotlight common pitfall you should steer clear from. Understanding scheme markup and its importance for search engine result. Ever wonder why some websites seem to always appear at the top of search engine result? The secret sauce is often something called scheme markup. It's a powerful SEO tool that tells search engine exactly what your content is about. The concept and purpose of scheme markup. Think of scheme markup as your website DNA. It provides valuable context to structured data, enhancing the rich snippets displayed beneath page title is syrups. Yet, less than one-third of websites use this invaluable tool. A shocking stat is considering sites with implementing scheme rank on average for position higher. The role of scheme markup in SEO. In a sense, leveraging scheme markup not only help communication directly with search engine but also enhances user experience by presenting information more effectively on SERPs. In fact, incorporating specific schemes like knowledge graphs can even boost organic traffic, quite a bang for your buck. How scheme markup helps search engine understand and display information. To grasp how scheme markup helps search engine, think of it as a translator, just like a language interpreter. Bridge the gap between individuals speaking different languages. Scheme markup provide context to website content so that search engine can accurately understand what's being communicated. The power behind that is immense. It doesn't just provide search results, it makes them more meaningful and relevant by helping search engine understand. When used effectively, this tool transfers raw data into enriched information, display enriched snippets with SERPs. Interpreting website content with scheme markup. The integration process starts when you embed structured data into your site hypertext transfer protocol using a specific semantic vocabulary recognized by major search engines. But remember, for maximum impact, the embedded details should closely align with your site content. Incorporating these clues allows Google to provide enhanced listing called rich snippets, which are proven eye-catcher. They attract user attention due to their detailed presentation compared to standard listening. Here's some guidance from Google itself. No wonder why sites implementing such techniques experience improved organic traffic coming to their page. So if you want better engagement rate and highly visibility on SERPs, start understanding and delivering scheme markup. The benefit of implementing scheme markup for your website. There's a magic tool that can help your website stand out in the sea of the search result. It's called scheme markup, and it does wonders to enhance your experience and improve click-through rate. Boosting SEO with scheme markup. A little bird told us that one-third of the Google search result incorporate rich snippet which includes schema markup. But what exactly is the magical thing? In simple terms, schema markup helps tell search engine what your content means, not just what it says. For instance, if you are selling books online, would it be helpful if the genre or author name showed up right there in the SERPs? That's where our friend schema comes into play. This clever piece of code gives detailed information about your page content to make sure a user gets exactly what they need. And when users are happy clicking through to your site because they see you have previously what they want, guess who else gets happy? That's right, Google itself. So how does implementing scheme markups boost SEO? Well, think about those times when you search for something on Google where not you more likely to click on a result with extra information like rating or prices rather than one without. How to add scheme markup to your website. If you are searching for a walkthrough on how to include and execute scheme markup, let's jump right into. Start off, we will using Google Structured Data Markup Helper. Using Google Structured Data Marker Helper, the first thing is to visit to the tool online. You can then select the type of data you want your website content to display in search in the result. For example, we will select articles. After that, post in the URL of your website or HTML code if necessary. Click Start Tracking. The page opens with your site. Its content is one tab and data items and others. Select a part of the page you need track like name or author ads. Then choose what they represent from drop-down option available such as name, author ads. Repeat this process until all elements are marked up correctly. Have a nice time. Goodbye.